Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Today is vlog number 3. This is a time-lapsed how to paint and blend colors using Dongyi poster paints. This is not a sponsored video. I'm using poster paints with the brand Dongyi. Poster paint can be easily diluted with water. Liquid paint like Dongyi fully offers great coverage, very pigmented and dries to an opaque finish. Explore your creativity in using poster paints. Not a common paint that we usually used, but it's a ready mixed paint, non-toxic and it's a water soluble. Poster paint can be used in the same way as acrylic paint or latex paint, but has a speedier drying time. I use drafting or masking tape to cover the space's faux borders. I used a darker background to make the subject stand out. In this video, I'm using Berkeley Sketchpad with a thickness of 120 GSM and a medium-sized water brush. White changes the brightness, hue and intensity of a color. When you're using brushes to mix paints, and you don't want paint of a previous color mixing with the two you are currently mixing, make sure to clean them in between before dipping into other paints. mixing might seem rather straightforward, but there are ways to get mixing techniques that can greatly improve your work. Make sure you know and understand the color wheel referring for my first vlog. Please see in the description box below for the link so that you can mix with precision. A little technique to share: apply color that only partially covers a previously dried layer of paint, then add very little paint to your brush and apply it with very quick, directional strokes. This method tends to work best when applying light paint over dark areas or dried paint. If you like this video, you may please consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel, Craft and Saucer, and click the notification bell if you want to notify every time I post videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.